How our students are making money with permanent jewelry. One of our students made her entire investment back in one weekend, and I want to show you exactly how she did it. And no, this isn't one of those unrealistic stories. I'm going to break it down with real examples so you can see what's actually possible if you do this the right way. Hi, my name is Adele. At Linked Permanent Jewelry Training, I've trained students across the country in permanent jewelry, and today I want to walk you through real student results, what they did, how they did it, and what you can take from it. Let's start with the first story. This student came in with zero experience, no background in jewelry, no prior business, just the willingness to learn. And after training, she booked her first pop-up event within days. At that event, she serviced about 12 to 15 clients with an average ticket around $80 to $100. That's roughly $1,000 to $1,500 in a single day. She didn't overthink it. She took action immediately. Number 2, consistency. Another student took a slightly different approach. She focused on consistency, booking multiple events, showing up weekly, and building relationships, like at farmers markets that happened weekly. Instead of one big day, she created a steady income through repeat bookings and referrals. This is where you start to see this turn into real, predictable income. It's not about one lucky event, it's about building momentum. And then we have students who take it even further. They move into private events and collaborations and higher end bookings. At this point, they're not just making money, they're building a brand. This is where permanent jewelry can go from side hustle to full-time. And here's what's interesting. All of these students, no matter where they started, had a few things in common. They took quick action. They followed a structure and they stayed consistent. It wasn't luck, it was a system. Now, I want to be clear, it doesn't happen automatically. You still have to show up, practice, and put yourself out there. But when you have the right foundation, the process becomes a lot more straightforward. And if you're watching this and thinking, I could see myself doing this, you probably can. And if you want to learn the exact systems these students followed, from booking events to pricing to actually making money, that's exactly what we teach inside our training. I'll leave the details below so you can check them out and see if it's the right fit for you. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help.